I think that's a win.
It is a win.
Oh, that's awesome. We have, all the way from New York, a visiting guest, professional cellist.
That's the taste of the childhood.
Sergey Antonov.
Hey, Chris, thanks for having me.
Yeah. I want to know right at this moment is, what do you want to cook?
What we're going to cook today is an iconic New Year's salad called herring under the fur coat. Most of it is boiled, right? Potatoes, carrots, beets, onions are fresh and raw, and boiled eggs. Huge in Russian cuisine, mayo. Firm.
Alrighty.
We can put a layer of onions, right? Kids are usually doing the shredding. Put everything back.
I know. Oh my goodness. I don't know anything about it, Russian cooking. So this is exciting because it's like first time really getting into it. But
I give it between 5 and 10 years, people will get so tired of perfectly created artificial things. They will flood the concert halls. They will go to see the real thing.
Look at that. Thank you for those thoughts. Appreciate it. And thank you for watching. What do you want to cook?